Hey everyone! Edit the geometry of GIS without destroying the GIS feature. We want to replace the yellow part of a parcel. We start the replace function. For replace, the feature must contain minimum 3 nodes. We select the base AB and now we can capture the new section with functions like GNSS, Pogo or Snap. We are able to edit the geometry of a GIS feature, add or reduce nodes in the geometry. Let's take a look to Penmap. Swipe to the replace function and start the replace function. Now select your base in the map and choose the section which should be replaced here. In this case, the northern part. Now start with the data collection. The starting point is marked in the map. This is point A. Use all the Penmap tools to collect the boundary. Here's a GNSS measurement. I can close the boundary feature or abort the data collection in the bar on top. That's it, my parcel E just got a new geometry. We avoid deleting a feature and lose IDs, attributes, relationships. We can use this function to map boundary negotiations, to capture geometry changes like the farmer shift fence or deforestation or better reforestation.